Hello everyone, and hello me also in the future. On my spare time, during breaks and maybe on the evenings and weekends, I'll be doing some videos about how to use UT and maybe other NDT method machines. Also for my own reference, because when you take the machine and there are different machines, and when you have to work with something like 3 months later, it's difficult to start over. So I'll have the reference here on YouTube for myself to start over, calibrate, and do the work as a reference. So the plan is to start today with USM GO Plus. I think we can start with that. The plan is what? The plan is to do everything from the start, to show the machine how to connect it, then all the calibration, and then how to use it and how to choose the probe, how according to the thickness and stuff like that. So what we have here, and we're starting with what is USM GO. We need to have the machine, we need to have the charger, we need to have some probes. Here we have 270s. We need 2 probes to do the transfer correction. 2 equal probes. Now 60, 45, 80. I won't be doing anything with 80 because it's simple NDT here. And 80 is advanced stuff, so keep it simple. For now, we have cables. We have 2 cables. Now we have a ruler. One thing I cannot show here are the calibration block dates, the numbers, the documents, the standards, because they are copyrighted. So I'm doing it as in a spare time, so I'll be just covering some of the things that I think needs to be covered. Okay, what we have also is the manual for USM GO. We need to have also, I will be doing it according to the standards. So the certification standard is 9712. Now the ultrasound techniques testing levels 17640, ISO 17640, then ISO 11666 is acceptance levels. I have also working instruction from my job. You won't have that. I have some things written about the calibration and working, about the normal probe. I have some schemes of the first calibration block and the dark block, but I cannot show them here. I'll figure that out. What we also have here, and we should have, is the version 1, the calibration block. Then I have also version 2. Not a lot to do with that. I have a dark block with holes, I have another one that is a different one, not the standard one, but with a rough surface. We'll check what we can do with that. And that's it. So maybe let's start with the machine. Now let's move it here. How to connect it and what we have. Here is the machine. How you connect the charger is plug in here. Here you go. The machine has the on-off switch here and two places for the probes. You cannot see here, but here is the transmitter. Here is the transmitter and here is the receiver. And here is the screwdriver. What you need a screwdriver for is to change the battery if you have a lot of work to do. The way you do it is you unscrew, you lift this, and here is the battery. You plug it out, you put another one in, and you good to go for another 6 or 5 or 3 hours, and you just charge it externally. If you have only one battery, then you don't unscrew this thing. One moment. Come on. Here you go. Here you go. So you just, if you don't have a lot of work for hours, you just plug it in during the break. It charges itself, and then you go work more. According to the standard, you have to recheck some of the things every 4 hours, or when you go to a new place to work. So how you turn it on is click this button, and then it will switch on. Here. Okay. Now the probes, we need to have, well, for transfer correction, 2 probes, then 70, here 70, here we have 70. I have also 60 on another machine. We have 60, 45 and 80. You cannot see anything. Now you need to have 2 cables. What I do is I put some tape on the end here. You can do both cables or you can do one. I have here from another machine red and green. Yeah? So when I take it out and put it into the transmitter, it's green. Okay, so it's the first hole, the first plug, and the other one, well, it's not with the tape, so I put it down there. Then what it means is that if I have a transmitter and a receiver, you cannot see that here, okay? Then I know that I take the transmitter and I put it on the green, because it's up there, the green one. And the receiver I have, it's on the not taped one, okay? So that's easier, I don't have to find anything. That's easier to do, and you just have 2 cables like that. Okay, switching on, switching off. A first calibration block, then a duct block. What I have done is measured the angles and I have lines, so it's simple to do NDT this way, easier to find the hole. Okay, we also will be doing the normal probe, because you also have to check the welding, near the welding, with the normal probe. And that's it. That's the machine, how you turn it on and what you have to start working. Next, what I will be doing is this. Angle probe calibration with first block. Checking the X value of the probe. We'll be doing 3, 70, 60, 45. So each of the videos will be about each of them. Checking the angle, then calibrating velocity with probe delay or only probe delay. We need to check this. Sensitivity hole on the first calibration block. And when we go to the normal probe, here is what we'll do. Check vertical linearity, check resolution, sensitivity, and things like that. So that will be later. We'll do angle probes first. So we'll start with the 70, and next video I will be showing how to do the calibration of the 70-degree probe with USM GO. That's it for now, for the first video. Good luck watching it, and if you are bored, then just on YouTube click 1.25 times faster, 1.5 times faster, maybe 2 times faster. It depends on how fast I speak, okay? And then you just move on and pause, and maybe you spend 7 minutes and not 13 minutes watching me talking, okay? Bye for now.